Hey, YouTube family! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to supercharge your YouTube journey. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of your YouTube success: how to optimize your YouTube video titles. Yes, those few words can make a massive difference in attracting viewers to your content. So, let's get started. First things first, why are titles so important? Think of your title as the first impression of your video. It's the headline that entices viewers to click. A well-crafted title can boost your video's visibility, improve click-through rates, and even enhance your SEO. Now, what makes a title effective? Here are the key elements. Keywords. Use relevant keywords that your audience is searching for. Clarity. Make sure your title clearly conveys what the video is about. Emotion. Evoke curiosity or emotions to pique interest. Length. Keep it concise, ideally under 60 characters. Uniqueness. Stand out from the crowd with a unique twist. Let's look at some practical examples. Suppose you have a cooking channel and you're making a video about a chocolate cake recipe. Instead of a generic title like chocolate cake recipe, you could use something like decadent chocolate cake recipe, easy and delicious. See the difference? To make your life easier, here are some tools and tips. TubeBuddy and VidIQ. These tools can help you find the best keywords and analyze your titles. A/B testing. Experiment with different titles to see which one performs better. Research. Look at what titles successful channels in your niche are using. Now it's your turn. Start optimizing your video titles and see the difference it makes. Have a title you're proud of? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to see it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow YouTubers, and subscribe for more tips like these. Until next time, happy creating.